Hi, Scholastic News readers. So today we are going to read Scholastic News, and the main cover story is Election 2020. Who will win? Both of these men hope to be elected America's next president in November. Voters will decide who gets the job. Hi, readers. So this is the main cover story. Meet the top candidates. Who will be our next president? Voters will soon decide. So remember, the first thing that I like to do before you read Scholastic News is to look at the words to know. There are 3 of them in this particular article. So the first one happens to be candidates, and it is a noun. So candidates are people running for office, such as a president. Candidates often meet a lot of voters while running for office. Second vocabulary word in the article is election, which is also a noun, the process of deciding something by voting. In September, students will participate in the student council election. And the last vocabulary word is rallies, which is a noun, meetings where people show support for something. In the past, thousands of people attended the candidates' rallies. So you can look at the vocabulary words again when you open up the article. The second thing that I suggest is watching the video, Who Can Be President, because the video gives you some more background knowledge before you read the article. So you'll see Donald Trump is in one picture, and in red is a little bit of information about him. In the other picture, you see Joe Biden, and in blue, you have a little bit of information about Joe Biden. So candidates for president want to win the support of voters. So as you're reading, think about how is Donald Trump going to win support of voters, and how is Joe Biden going to win support of voters. So here's the first section called Hello, Mr. Trump. This gives you a little bit of information about Mr. Trump. Hello, Mr. Biden. This gives you more information about Mr. Biden. And then rally for voters. Rallies are really important for the candidates because they are trying to win support of voters. So the sidebar is really fun. It's called A Day in the Life of a Candidate. Here's what one day might look like if you were running for president. So this is really fun. You get to see from 7 a.m. what their day starts, all the way down to 9 p.m. and how they end their day. So make sure you check out that sidebar. Okay, so this is a may read. If you have time and if you would like to, you may read a Titanic treasure. Again, I would start with the words to know. Definitely click on that because the picture of the iceberg is incredible. And then the other words to know are artifacts and submersibles. This article has 2 videos, this video right here and then this video right here. It also has a map to show you where the Titanic started, where it stopped to pick up more passengers, and then where it hit an iceberg and sank in the Atlantic Ocean. So this article is all about the Titanic, the tragedy at sea, and then a new mission of what this company is trying to recover from the Titanic, and then not everybody agrees with it. So this is a may read article. The second must-read article today is your Back to School Survival Guide. This is really interesting, a lot of good information for you to think about. So are you back in a classroom, learning from home, a little bit of both? Make the most of the school year wherever you are. So the first part is about setting SMART goals, and I like to set small goals for myself often, almost daily, something very small that I can achieve by the end of the day. So you might want to set a SMART goal for yourself. It could be daily, it could be weekly. So this is interesting. Be calm. So school can bring a lot of stress for teachers, for parents, for students. And so this information just gives you ways to help you calm down and de-stress. And there's a great slideshow that goes with it. It's not a video, it's a slideshow. The last section on this survival guide is don't wait. So don't procrastinate. Don't wait till the last minute to start something. This gives you some good tips about making a list, setting a timer, giving yourself a break, and then rewarding yourself when you're finished. So this is a must-read article, and it's full of great information. I read it and I found some good practical advice for me as a teacher. This geography article, A Landmark Anniversary, is a may read if you'd like to read it. There's a map, so you have an idea of where in the United States they're talking about for this landmark. And then the last one is a may read, the quick bite article with this chameleon, and there's a game that goes along with it. So you have two must-read articles, Meet the Top Candidates and then Survival Guide. You'll have a couple of questions in a Google form to fill out on those articles, and then the other ones are may reads if you'd like to. Happy reading!